guys, in this video I'll be showing you all how to execute a trade with a more than 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio. This is more like a 1 to 70 risk to reward, whereby you can risk, if you're using 0.01 lot size, you can risk like let me say 4 pips. You can be risking 4 pips to target like 100 pips, or like from 80 and above. So whereby this particular strategy, now you can risk, I think you can risk $4 to make $80. You can risk $40 to make $800, depending on the lot size you are using. So let's start to analyzing this particular chart now on the USD card. So first of all, we do our top to down analysis. So currently we start from the 4-hour time frame, and we observe at this point here, this level, we notice that there are equal lows here, and the market has respected this support. Like, market is currently in a very strong support zone. Even though you look at from the back here, you can see there's a resistance here. Market broke this resistance here, turned it to support. Market came, respect it multiple times before finally going back up here, testing this resistance, then coming back here and finally break this support zone here. So let me put a horizontal line here. So mark out our horizontal line here for our support. Sorry, this is not horizontal line. Okay, so we bring out our horizontal line here. We mark out our zone. What am I doing, God? So we bring out our horizontal line here. We point out these zones here. So what we are going to be looking for right now, we are going to be looking for, as market have broken this support zone right here, market have broken it, so we are going to look for market to get back to our point of interest, which is this zone here, for us to be able to short this market. So we're just waiting for market to eventually get back to this zone, then finally, boom, market get back to this zone here. Market have finally tested this zone. So after, when market comes to this zone here on the 4-hour time frame, then we are going to move down to a lower time frame, which is like the 1-hour time frame, which is our top to down analysis. So we'll move to our 1-hour time frame to look for confirmation entries. So that's when move to 1-hour time frame. So currently here, the market entered our zone. First of all, we didn't really get any confirmation here. We'll be looking for something like a weak rejection or some kind of candlestick formation, candlestick pattern. So market came here. Some retail traders now might just based on the fear of missing out, they will just execute a trade down here, and then they will just get wicked out. So market came down here, market came up here, then it consolidated a little bit and came back here. Some people is going to see this as a double top, which is very nice. But what I do see here is liquidity. There's actually a liquidity here. So market came here and create liquidity because these are equal highs. So market must come back to this zone and then sweep out this liquidity up here. So what I'm going to be waiting for is to see when market break above this resistance here, which is just to sweep this liquidity. Then after that, to make sure that the market is not going to continue its moves to the upside, I'm going to have to wait for some kind of candlestick pattern, which is the part where our powerful strategy comes in. So we have this shooting star candle, this shooting star candlestick pattern here. So first of all, we have this rejection here. Well, it's not enough for us to just go short. So then we have the second candle here. The market came, it did everything it did and just end up having this rejection. So there are two things involved when price make this kind of candlestick formation. So it's either at the close of this candle here, either at the close of this candle, the new 1 hour candlestick that is going to form is either going to move up without even coming down, without even like touching the wick of this candle. It's just either going to move up or it's going to move down without even passing this, without even going above this candle. Most of the times it do happens, but for this particular strategy, and sometimes and most of the times, it's going to respect and just create this kind of formation, which gives us a very very large confirmation. So what we are going to do here is that after seeing this, and I just noticed that this other candle is actually at the open of this candle is going down, then it just gave me the confirmation that price is actually going down. So what we are going to do is that we are going to identify the support where our target is going to be. So we are going to look for our zone to put our stops and our targets. So we are going to move to the 4-hour time frame to identify the major supports, to look for the market structure where market is most likely to retest. So down here now we'll figure out that market is most likely to come back to this zone down here. Let me mark it out. So we have this strong resistance zone here that was broken. So we have it down here. So our target is going to be at this zone. Our target is going to be at this zone. So we'll move back to our 1 hour time frame. And then we grab our short position. Then we'll enter immediately at this point, at the open of the third rejection, the third candles. Sorry. So then we'll just set our stop loss just right below that shooting star rejection. Then that's where our stop loss will be. Then our target is going to be at this point. Then our target is just going to be somewhere around this zone. So as you can see, guys, we are risking 4.7 pips, which means that if you're using 0.1 lot size, you are risking $4.7 to make. Our target is 120 pips to make $120 with. So you are just risking $7, $4.7 to make $120, just like that, just with this strategy. That's how easy it works. So like one thing, like the best part about this strategy is that you are going to have a very large risk to reward. So just a quick summary: all you have to do is just do your top to down analysis, then wait for confirmations. Like currently now, you identify if there's any liquidity for the market to just come and sweep. Then after the liquidity, you just wait for confirmation, be it a candlestick pattern or any kind of chart pattern or so on. So that's just it for this video, and I'm really glad that I was able to like complete it, and I hope you all understand it. So if you don't understand it, you can just reach me through the WhatsApp or our Instagram channel, or just comment below this video. Then just tell me what you want to see next and any problem you might be having with it. Thank you, guys.